Hello, friends. You're welcome once again to today's lesson. Today, it happens to be that we are on the CNC milling machine. So, this is machine center. When we talk about machine center, it means that we can incorporate multiples of operations whilst the CNC machine that's supposed to carry out that operation is not functioning. Okay, so today our exercise will be on the use of the tool magazine. So this is the tool magazine. This tool magazine is having a capacity of 20 incorporations. So you can incorporate 20 multiple tools on it for the necessary operations that you want to carry. So for this exercise, you can see that we've already incorporated a certain tools already in the system. And so if we need to use the tools over there, then it's a matter of we calling the tool to come and be in place of the spindle over here for us to use. Okay, so at appropriate time, we'll learn how to incorporate the tools. But for now, if you want to incorporate the tools, just a snap of it. If you want to incorporate the tools, just going to hold it inside the spindle, then you press over here. When you press over here, it is a magnetic choke. So the system will take it forcibly from your hand and replace it or install it over there for the necessary operation to be used. Okay, so we want to semi-automatically operate and see how we can able to use it on that form. Okay, so remember, this one is the 3-axis operation. So at appropriate time, we'll talk about them. But if you want to know something about it, let's say you have, this one uses the 3-axis. That's the XYZ. Okay, that's just by the way. So let's go to how we can able to use the T mark. Okay, so for you to call a 2, it is the M06. The M06 here means that we are calling for a 2. And what will be the name of that 2? So you're supposed to bring out the number over here. That is, so currently we exchanged T15. That is the 2 number 15. But for this exercise, we need to go back and do what is required. Okay, so to start, let's delete everything over here. Let's delete everything over here. So delete is here. You press on it. It will delete everything over there. Okay, so as we did the other time, you come to MDI. This is MDI. So when you press on MDI, then you come into the system. This is your M06. Then you specify the 2 number. So 201. Okay. Then close your door because of safety. We need to close our door over here. Good. So we will capture everything over there. Okay. But we are fortunate that the system is having a default setup, or let's say program that may help us to call our 2. So you press on the cycle start. You see that the program will come. This is how I want you to watch the program first, and after that we'll know what to do. Very good. So this is the program that will help us to call our tool. Okay, so let's make an edit because it worked over there. Let's make a small edit over here. Backspace, let's call for tool number 2 and see how the system over here will behave. Watch carefully. Good. So this is how the system will behave. Okay. So lastly, let's for instance say that we want to change the number over here to, let's say, tool number 15. Tool number 15. So backspace. Then let's go to 15. Okay. Let's see the reaction from the tool magazine. Good, because there is no tool over there, so the system may assume that it has taken it. So this is the short exercise for the use of the tool magazine on the VMCL 850T. Thank you very much.